are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. My name is Mrenda. I do cooking videos. Those are cooking recipes. And today we're going to do the African vegetables, some African vegetables. Here they are. So before we continue, thank you so much guys for clicking to watch. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you've not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscriber button and get me to 1,000 subscribers. And our visitor today is coming along. You're welcome. Hi.
Hi guys.
What's your name? Say your name.
Okay, I'm Esther. I came here to visit my sister-in-law, and today we are making, or we are preparing, African veggies. This is kunde. We have mito and some mrenda. Mito, mrenda, and kunde.
Hey now, sweetheart, what are we going to use to cook today? You can mention the ingredients.
So we have onions, we have tomatoes, Rico cubes,
the tomatoes.
Okay, so guys, for the vegetables, we have mrenda, we have mito, and we have kunde. These three mixtures. And then we do have our baking powder
to be used as a catalyst.
We have cooking oil, we have salt, we have our onions, 2 medium onions, we do have our tomatoes over here, and then we do have milk. So guys, the next step we're going to do, or the first thing we're going to do, is to prepare our vegetables. That is by separating the leaves from the stalks and then washing them and boiling them. And this is how we do it. How do we do it, my sister?
This is how we do it. Yeah, we separate kunde this way. And then for mrenda, same thing applies. Yeah, then for mito,
Okay. Oh, so what you mean is, for mrenda, which is this one, you do leaf by leaf, right?
leaf, yeah.
Like this, leaf by leaf, like that.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know how to do mrenda. It's my first time and I'm learning also. Like that. And then for mito,
Same thing.
okay.
And then this mrenda.
This is mrenda.
Yeah. Mito.
This is the mito.
Yeah.
So mito also, like that. So we are going to do step by step. One leaf or one stalk,
Yes.
then the other one.
Yes.
It's a lot of work, but it's a good veg. So in the meantime guys, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like this content,
And share.
please share, please comment down below. Yes, it's road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. So allow us do this off camera and then show you the after work. So guys, we got extra hands, as you can see, and the veg is almost done. So the next step guys is to clean our veggies. That is what my sister? That is mrenda.
Kunde and mito.
Yes. So we normally clean this repeatedly.
Sorry.
Then we're going to add our salt next.
We add salt before boiling to give it a good taste. Okay. So we add some water here. Sorry. We add some water to give it a 15 minutes boil. And you make sure you pour water on top of that baking powder.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like the quantity of water, 1 cup.
It's just 1 glass of water.
1 glass is enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we light our gas. Then cover it up. Okay. So we're going to cover.
And we leave it for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah. So guys, as you're waiting for our videos to boil, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Like, share, comment down below. If in case you need to know anything about African veggies, consult us by writing a comment down there.
Yes, in the comment section, please. As you've heard, guys, support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's Road to 1,000 subscribers. So, and if you're new, thank you so much for clicking to watch. For those people who are coming back, thank you so much. May God bless you so much. So guys, the next step is to confirm if our veg is well cooked. I can confirm that. Yeah, looks okay. Right, Esther?
Yeah.
Our veg. So next, guys, is to add our oil to our onions. Make sure you put enough oil. And then fry those onions till golden brown. And for those people who have watched my videos for quite some time, know that I love mixing my onions as they cook to make sure they do not stick on the scoria. Normally they tend to stick. So I love frying the onions while mixing them up. So guys, you can see our onions are browned well. So we add our tomatoes. Mix that up. Actually, I'm being guided by my sister on how to do this. Yep. Cover that. Till the tomatoes are well cooked.
Which we add our cube to our onions. We add the first cube. Then the other 2 cubes we'll add on the veggies.
On the veggies?
Yeah.
Okay. Here or later?
Later.
Later. Okay.
So our tomatoes are okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we can add our veggies.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, give me those.
So 1 cube with the tomatoes, the 2 cubes
With
on the veggies.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks yummy. Wow, guys, just have a look. Wow.
So guys, we cover it for like 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that,
We'll mix that up.
yeah. So guys, we mix our veggies. You see how they look, how yummy they look?
Yummy.
Yes.
Oh, almost burned myself.
Slowly.
Yummy. I love this veggies. Though I know there are some people who don't like this veg. That is Mrenda. But my God, I love this veg.
Next step, we add our milk.
Okay.
Here's the milk.
Here's the milk. You can what do you add?
I need a whole cup of milk.
A whole pack of milk.
Yeah.
So here it is. A whole pack of milk. Oh, wow. And then?
Then we cover it for like 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, this will be ready.
To serve. So guys, please, we are here to request you again as we wait for our veg to cook for 3 minutes. Please consider liking this video. This veg deserves a like. Share this video. You can do that down below. There is a share button. Click on that button. It will take you straight to the options. That is WhatsApp, Facebook, there is Instagram, there is TikTok. You choose how to share. Right,
Yeah,
Esther?
guys, you can share up to 20 to 100 friends of yours because we need more than 1,000 subscribers, but we are in the road to 1,000 subscribers. Consider subscribing, guys. We love you so much.
3 minutes later.
So we have to open our veggies. That's how we move.
Let's have a look, guys.
Guys, this one is sweeter than meat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100 times better. Yeah. So this is ready, right, Esther?
Yeah, it's ready.
Wow, this is ready.
Ready
Oh,
to
wait.
be served.
I can't wait to have a taste. Have a look, guys. So, allow us serve with ugali and then show you. So guys, we've finished cooking and what? This veg is amazing. Remember, it's Mrenda and
Kunde and mito.
mito.
Yeah.
Wow. Here it is. Guests go first. And you know, for you to feel that taste, you must do it traditional way, the African way, using hands. How is that? You like it? I go next. Hey, Mrenda, it is. Yeah. Where we start? This is nice. What? This is brilliant. Allow me to have another taste. Poor guys. I've
Enough
finished
for
the plate.
tasting.
So guys, what? Please try this recipe and comment. Come back, try it, come back and comment how it is, how you made it. This is really nice, really amazing.